Hello, history explorers and pop culture buffs. December 17th is a day brimming with discoveries, dreams of unity, soaring flights, animated hilarity, and global cooperation. We start our journey in 1790, when the magnificent Aztec Calendar Stone was unearthed in the heart of Mexico City. This incredible monolith, intricately carved with symbols representing the Aztec cosmos and understanding of time, is more than just a calendar. It's a window into the rich, complex world of the Aztec civilization. Today, it stands as a symbol of Mesoamerican heritage, continuing to inspire awe and admiration for its artistic and cultural significance. Next, we travel to 1830, where the great liberator Simón Bolívar delivered his final message calling for unity among the newly independent nations of South America. Bolívar's dream of a united continent may not have come to full fruition, but his vision laid the foundations for future regional integration. His call for cooperation and solidarity still resonates today as South America strives for unity amidst its diversity. Now, let's soar to 1903, when the Wright brothers took to the skies over Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, in a powered aircraft for the very first time. This historic flight, which lasted just 12 seconds but changed the world forever, marked the birth of modern aviation. It opened the skies to human exploration and connected the world in ways previously unimaginable, paving the way for the globalized, interconnected society we live in today. Fast forward to 1989, when a little animated family from Springfield made their debut on television. The Simpsons, with its sharp wit and satirical take on American life, quickly became a cultural phenomenon. Over 3 decades later, the show is still going strong, having influenced everything from pop culture and politics to the very fabric of television comedy. It's not just a show, it's an institution. Finally, in 1997, the world took a significant step towards tackling climate change with the adoption of the Kyoto Protocol. This landmark international treaty, signed in Kyoto, Japan, set binding targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions, highlighting the urgent need for collective action to protect our planet. Though the road has been challenging, the Kyoto Protocol remains a crucial milestone in the global fight against climate change. December 17th is a day that celebrates human creativity, unity, and the ongoing quest to better understand and care for our world. Be sure to subscribe for tomorrow's look back in time. Reporting for Sketchy News. Be polite, be happy, be kind. Thanks for watching.